This 2020 Nexus Ghost 36DS is a Super C RV. It is located in Orange Park, Florida, 32073 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Nexus is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 100 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse, rear bedroom. This 2020 Nexus Ghost 36DS is built on International DuraStar chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.